Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The ship's carpenter, often known affectionately in maritime tradition as the Chips. Despite the name, this vital crew member does way more than just work with wood. In the modern maritime industry, the carpenter is an experienced rating within the deck department who handles a huge variety of heavy-duty technical duties that keep the vessel safe and seaworthy. To understand the rank of a carpenter, you have to look at where they sit in the ship's hierarchy. The carpenter is typically a senior rating, often positioned just below the boatswain or bosun, while the bosun oversees the general deck crew and daily maintenance operations. The carpenter acts as a specialized technical expert. On many vessels, to become a carpenter, a seafarer starts as an ordinary seaman, advances to an able seaman, and then acquires specialized technical skills in metalwork, plumbing, and structural maintenance to earn the rank of carpenter. So what does a carpenter actually do all day? Their responsibilities are as broad as the ocean itself. Every morning, one of their most crucial jobs is taking manual soundings of the ship's tanks and bilges. This means physically measuring fluid levels in ballast tanks, freshwater tanks, and fuel storage to ensure the vessel maintains proper stability and balance. They inspect the anchor windlass, mooring winches, and hawse pipes, ensuring the heavy machinery used to secure the ship is always in prime working condition. When it comes time to anchor, the carpenter is usually right there on the forecastle deck, operating the windlass and controlling the massive anchor chains as they drop into the depths. Beyond routine daily checks, the carpenter is the chief troubleshooter for structural repairs on board. Modern ships are made of steel, so today's carpenter spends far more time welding, cutting metal, and fixing pipes than sawing timber. If a pipe leaks in the freshwater system, the carpenter fixes it. If a watertight door seal wears out or a hatch cover gets jammed, the carpenter restores it to working order. During stormy weather or unexpected emergencies, they are on the front lines of damage control, sealing off leaks, securing loose heavy cargo, and making emergency structural reinforcements to protect the ship and crew. The ship's carpenter is a master of all trades at sea, combining traditional seamanship with modern metalworking, machinery maintenance, and emergency response. This rank remains one of the most respected and indispensable positions on any ocean-going vessel. Without a skilled carpenter on board, smooth sailing simply would not be possible. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.